Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing some twists in my hair, and I got my hair all blown out nice and straight, and look at the length of my hair. I feel like my hair is growing back so fast already. This is the package with the hair. It's from this company called Toyotress, and I thought you guys would have been able to see the name better on here, but unfortunately it's not, big enough for you guys to see it. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair in sections, and to do that I'm gonna take off the front section of it and work on the back. I'm gonna start out by adding some jam to the back of my hair before parting out my first section. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what the hair looks like out of the package. So this roll that you see me opening up here, I got 6 of them in the package. By the end of the video, I will let you know how many I use to do this style. This is what it looks like out of the package. They're all separated already, so you don't have to. I will show them to you in individual pieces so you guys could understand what I'm saying. So for each one of my sections, I'm going to be using one of these. To attach the hair onto my hair, I'm not going to be opening them up. I'm going to put them in as they are. So I'm going to use my hair as one of the section when I'm braiding it in. This is actually easier to, attach into the hair for some of you guys who cannot get or I fix the hair between my fingers when I'm doing the box braids. So yeah, definitely if you want to do it this way, it is so much easier. So when I braid it down far enough to where I feel like it's attached to my hair and it's not coming out, I separate my natural hair into the pieces of synthetic hair and I start twisting it in. Because my hair is short and the ends are very blunt because of me cutting it recently, I have to twist while I twist to give it a really nice tight twist where my hair ends in the synthetic hair so it doesn't like stick out of the synthetic hair and look weird. So yeah, I definitely have to be mindful of that when I'm twisting it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my second one, and for this row I'm gonna be doing 3. Now that I'm done with that one, I'm gonna move on to my second row. If there's anything that I'm doing here that you don't quite understand, let me know down in the comment box. I'll do my best to clear it up for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more in the back for you guys, but I'm gonna speed it up so we could get to the end much quicker. And this is as far as I got with the first pack, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open up a second one. This is the final row I'm doing in the back, and this one I'm going to be doing in 3. For the front, I'm going to be doing 2 in the first row, and then for the next 3 rows, I'm going to be doing 3. So just in case you guys were wondering, I have 4 rows of braids on each side. And this is where I started off using the 3rd pack of hair. So to complete this style, I only used 3 of the pack from the 6 they sent me. And I still have some left over from the 3rd pack, which means I could do a whole complete new style with whatever I have left. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the final one. For my edges today, I'm going to be using this edge control from Edge Effect. I'm gonna also add some oil from BTL on my scalp because my scalp is gonna definitely need it with all the synthetic hair in my head. I'm gonna also add some mousse on it, and this is optional, but I just felt like doing it, so I did. I'm gonna also go ahead and add some hair jewelry on my hair, but I'm not gonna show me adding all of them on camera because that's just gonna take too long. Now I'm done with that and I'm very pleased, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. I went ahead and added a piece of white string in the front because I felt like it needed something more, and I am so in love with it. So this here is Marley hair, 14 inches. It's from Toyotress and it's available on Amazon. I ordered this hair and it came so quick that I was wondering what did I order. So definitely get your hair on Amazon with Amazon Prime because you're gonna get it in no time. You don't have to wait forever. I will leave the link down below so you guys could get the exact one I'm wearing. They come in different lengths just in case you guys want to go longer or shorter because I believe they do have some shorter lengths. If you guys have any questions, definitely go ahead and leave them down below in the comment area. I will do my best to get back to you with an answer as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.